Nutritional supplements. Cost. Comparison. Smart spending for your wellness goals. Discover how to compare costs among popular nutritional supplements and make informed choices to maximize your health and wellness budget. Nutritional supplements. Cost comparison. How to get the best value for your health. Hey, have you ever found yourself staring down at the shelves of nutritional supplements at the store or scrolling through endless options online and wondered, wait, why do prices vary so much? You're not alone. Supplements can be a bit of a maze when it comes to cost. Today, I want to chat about how to make sense of those price tags so you can prioritize your health without draining your wallet. When it comes to health and wellness, many of us invest in supplements hoping to boost everything from energy levels to mental health, or just support a healthy lifestyle overall. But here's the thing. Just because a bottle is expensive doesn't always guarantee it's the best option. And on the flip side, cheaper doesn't always mean you're getting a bad product. What's driving the price differences? First, let's break down why costs can differ so much. A few factors come into play. Ingredient quality. Higher quality, bioavailable ingredients usually cost more to source, which bumps up the price. Brand reputation. Big-name brands often charge extra because of their marketing and trust factor. Formulation complexity. Some supplements blend multiple active ingredients, which can add to cost and value. Dosage and serving size. Larger or more potent doses typically cost more. Packaging and certifications. Organic certifications, GMP labels, or eco-friendly packaging can influence price. Popular supplements cost breakdown. Let's look at a few common supplements people often rely on, so you can get a sense of what to expect. Multivitamins. You can find budget-friendly options around $10, $15 for a month's supply, but premium formulas with targeted ingredients like antioxidants or specialized B-complex can go up to $30 or more. Omega-3, fish oil. Generic brands might sell for $10 or $20 per bottle, but high-purity, molecularly distilled fish oils with added vitamins can run $25 to $50. Vitamin D. This one's usually pretty affordable, ranging from $8 to $20 per bottle. The difference? Higher IU, dosage units, and additional nutrients like K2 can increase the cost. Protein powders. Super variable here. Basic whey protein powders can be as low as $15 or $20 for a pound, but plant-based or organic versions sometimes ask for $40 or more. Probiotics. This is where prices can really spread. While some probiotic capsules fall in the $15 to $25 range, high CFU counts with multiple strains and refrigeration needs can push costs significantly higher. Maximizing value without sacrificing wellness goals. Now, how do you make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck? Here are some tips I personally follow and recommend. Check the label, not just the price. Don't be fooled by a low price tag. Look for active ingredient amounts and quality certifications. Consider your specific needs. Sometimes a simple single-ingredient supplement fits your needs better than a complex, expensive blend. Buy in bulk, when appropriate. If you've found a trusted brand, larger quantities usually bring the cost per serving down. Read reviews and do research. Peer reviews or professional insights can clue you into real-world value and effectiveness. Shop smart. Look out for seasonal sales or subscribe and save programs online to lower recurring costs. The journey toward a healthy lifestyle and personal transformation involves mindful choices, and self-care is a vital part of that. Budgeting for wellness shouldn't feel like a stressful task, and knowing what you're paying for helps you stay committed to long-term success. If you're curious to learn more about guiding principles for holistic health, wellness, and mental health care through mindful, self-help strategies, I recommend checking out some insightful resources. For those passionate about maintaining personal wellness and seeking further guidance on self-care and mindfulness, there's a great selection of literature available. You can explore books tailored to help you build habits supporting success in health and wellness. Explore the books now. These picks offer practical advice for anyone aiming to empower their wellness journey without sacrificing the budget. So next time you're evaluating your supplement options, remember, quality matters, but value is about making smart choices tailored to your unique health goals. After all, investing in yourself is the best kind of success. Thanks for hanging out and talking supplements. Stay mindful, stay healthy, and I'll catch you next time.